A century-old political history of Kerala has just faded with the demise of former Chief Minister V.S. Achuthanandan. The communist veteran died yesterday on 21st July at 3:20 p.m. and what you're witnessing is the state of Kerala bidding farewell to one of its most loved, precious leaders. He was 101 year old when he passed away yesterday. His procession of his final journey is taking place right now. It started from the Secretariat in Thiruvananthapuram, the state capital, and it's moving to Alappuzha, his hometown. Alappuzha, his hometown, where the last rites will take place tomorrow. The workers, the CPIM activists have all gathered in huge numbers to get a last glimpse of their dear leader. Like I said in the beginning, it's a century-old history of Kerala that's just got over with the demise of V.S. Achuthanandan. You can hear slogans being raised by the workers, the CPIM activists, and not just CPIM activists, it's the people of Kerala coming out in huge numbers to bid farewell to the dear comrade V.S. Achuthanandan. He's one of the founding members of the CPIM. He was the only living veteran who was one of the founding members of CPIM until yesterday. Very emotional scenes, people raising slogans, revolutionary greetings to comrade V.S. Achuthanandan. We have seen such scenes since the time the news of his death was out. Right from the hospital premises to the AKG Center, which is the CPM headquarters in the state capital Thiruvananthapuram, to the secretary, to his residence, wherever his mortal remains were taken. People thronging in huge numbers to pay their last respect to the legendary politician of the state. The biggest crowd puller the state has ever witnessed. V.S. Achuthanandan's final journey is going on, accompanied by his party colleagues, all the senior CPIM leaders, party activists, all of them here accompanying his last journey to Alappuzha, to his hometown. He's joined the Communist Party when he was barely 17. He was initially a tailor, was helping his brother. Later, he became a coir factory worker and then began his journey of fighting for the workers' rights. He was very active part of the trade unions, organized people, protested against oppression, the social evils, the caste system in Kerala that was existing in Kerala. In his 101-year-old career, like I said, Kerala has not seen a leader like him. One of the most loved leaders. Even when he had issues with the party leadership, there was a period which was marked as a Pinarayi Vijayan versus V.S. Achuthanandan period, party versus V.S. Achuthanandan period, but none of it had caused any change to the love and admiration people had for V.S. Achuthanandan, and that's exactly what you're witnessing. He has not been active in politics since the last few years, but that has not stopped people from reliving his memories as he's taking his last journey. Remember, 101-year-old, but he was a member of the Legislative Assembly till 2021. He's the oldest person to become the Chief Minister in Kerala. He became the Chief Minister in 2006 to 2011. He was the Chief Minister of Kerala. He's also the longest serving opposition leader in the state. For 15 long years, he was the opposition leader in the state. And love pouring in from all corners of the state. People coming in from different parts of the state to see V.S. Achuthanandan raising slogans, remembering all that he has done for the people of Kerala, for the women of Kerala. He was a champion of women's rights, always took a stand on women issues, never giving up on the rights of people, always fought for them, whether it even meant going against the party at times. So that's why he's loved beyond party politics, not just the CPIM supporters. Whichever party it is, we will find people adoring and loving V.S. Achuthanandan. That's the kind of respect he has earned over the last 1 century of life. His last rites will take place tomorrow. The state government has declared 3 days state mourning, official state mourning. A public holiday has been declared in the state today. Tomorrow, there's a public holiday declared in Alappuzha district, his hometown, where his last rites will take place. In fact, he was born in Punnapra and is known as the hero of the Punnapra Vailar peasant uprising. Like I pointed out, what you're witnessing is this love overpouring for the state's most loved politicians as he's taking his final journey here in the state capital, Thiruvananthapuram. Served as an MLA for many, many years, even in his 80s and 90s. Nothing stopped him from taking part in politics or taking part in discussions or even from holding the most important posts in the state, including the Chief Minister's post as well as the opposition leader's post. People thronging the last rites vehicle to get a last glimpse of the comrade shrouded in the flag, in the CPIM flag of hammer and sickle. It's taken more than 2 hours to cover 2 kilometers. That's the kind of people coming in to see V.S. Achuthanandan. We have no idea when this is going to reach Alappuzha. If it's going like this, then it's not likely to keep up the time and it's going to get really late. But that doesn't matter today as far as the people or even the party is concerned, because they have to give the opportunity to these people who have come in huge numbers, waiting in heavy, waiting in this heat to get a glimpse of their dear comrade. Like I said in the beginning, the history of Kerala politics, a chapter of Kerala politics has just ended. But like the slogans are saying, he will continue to live on in the hearts of people of Kerala as long as their state exists is what they're saying. With video journalist Tinku Rajshekhar, Shubhi Molkeji for India Today from Thiruvananthapuram.